I'm Abigail Green.
I'm Ellie Polilik.
I'm Jaden Wood.
I'm Hannah Anderson.
We propose a new program called Fighting for Fairness. This program will help all children at every grade level to have a fair learning experience.
Now we will perform a skit.
Is everybody ready?
Yes, Abby.
I can't see. I have a cut. I have a broken arm.
I'll see what I have.
Are you kidding me? This skit represents how our needs aren't being met, just as these students' needs aren't being met. We now have PowerPoint presentation.
We need a
Fighting for Fairness by Abby, Ellie, Hannah, and Jaden. Fair is not equal or the same. It is what the person needs at the time.
What's up? Fighting for Fairness, or F4F, is trying to make things fair. We think everyone should be learning at their level and pace. Everybody should be at the right level for each subject, not just a common title. There should not be sitting bored in a classroom or sitting there with no idea of what's going on. Everybody should be learning every minute of the day, excelling in every subject. Everyone should have a fair chance at tests and essays. We all have a right to learn, but some of us seem to just be waiting. Gifted students are becoming tutors, not students. It is a fact when gifted students are placed with kids with lower learning levels, they become tutors. We are tired of being tutors. As fun as it might seem, being in charge and all, after a while it gets annoying. Most teachers set the same goals for all students. That means we still have to get the work done while our peers come up to them for help. Doing both becomes challenging. FRF feels that if teachers use differentiation, everyone would feel better. We chose one from the differentiation, curriculum compacting, that would help all students and be easier on the teachers.
I am a gifted student. Teach me, engage me, challenge me. Believe in me. We propose that people should be at the right level for each subject. Scenario: Johnny is struggling in math class. His best friend Matthew is flying through it. They both feel confident in science. Johnny is in a PACS social studies, but Matthew gets bored in social studies a lot and flunks the test. Do you see how they are different in different levels of classes? This is their level. Matthew needs help to make social studies interesting. He should be able to do that.
How do we do that? Differentiation.
Differentiation is based on and is an integral part of the core curriculum.
Differentiation includes teacher instruction and should not be assumed to be self-taught by students. Differentiation is how students will summarize and share their learning.
Differentiation is how students will access and use resource skills.
Differentiation is what students will know and how students will think. Critical, creative, and problem-solving thinking skills.
Differentiation should be available to any student that demonstrates a readiness for the experience. Differentiation is not different.
Differentiation is not just harder, faster, or more.
Differentiation is not a program in which thinking skills are taught in isolation.
Types of differentiation. Curriculum compacting. Enrichment. Extracurricular, cross-curricular, and other enhancements to work to ignite and foster a wider interest in the subject at a comfortably challenging pace, based on the student's motivation and ability.
Eliminating the repetition of work that has already been mastered and streamlining lessons that can be mastered at a comfortably challenging pace based on the student's motivation and ability.
Cluster grouping. Above average ability, task commitment, creativity, gifted.
This chart represents how to group students using the cluster grouping. Make it happen.
This is a problem for people all over the world. This need for differentiation is a need that all people have. If you take this to the next level and expand it to all levels, not just the gifted, everyone will exceed and achieve. Everyone has a chance at greatness. Some just need a little help getting there. Please, if you agree, help us to make this a
fair school. Diminish this need for help. Fight for fairness.
Now we have a poster word presentation. My eyes look bad. Fighting for fairness. This is a word explaining what No Child Left Behind is, its pluses and its minuses. This is a word explaining differentiation, how to do it, what it means, and things that you can do to make it happen. This is our main word explaining all of our goals for this program. And this is a curriculum compacting word. It explains what it is, what it means, and how to do it. Our ideas: cluster grouping, curriculum compacting, more packed, more programs for advanced students, tests to determine levels in all subjects, more teachers for the advanced students. Fighting for Fairness. Fighting for Fairness is a new program that will help all people in every grade level excel in school. It will help kids become happier about learning what they are ready for. We think there needs to be an after-school program for advanced kids. Another idea is more packed or AP classes for elementary students. One more idea is cluster grouping, which is when a teacher gives one level an assignment, then works with another group. Our last idea is that there should be curriculum compacting. This is when a teacher tailors an assignment to a student's ability. We feel that all people should be able to learn to their own ability, and so we can all learn at our own pace. This program will make a difference in the way you learn in school. But we need your help to make this happen. This is a poster that really spoke to us. Does it speak to you?
Final explanation. Fighting for Fairness by Ellie Flolick, Abby Glenn, Jaden Wood, and Hannah Anderson. This is a binder explaining what advanced people can do when they're done early or have already mastered the skills that are being taught. This is a student proposal for early placement task when they have already mastered the skill that is being taught. And this is a sheet explaining the working conditions and the learning conditions of independent work. And this is the Gifted Leader's Bill of Rights, explains what a gifted leader should be able to do. And this is a math tic-tac-toe board. It just has some things that you can do and if you've done early. This is another working conditions for alternate activities sheet. And this is a math packet for when you've done early or you've already mastered the skill.
No Child Left Behind. No Child Left Behind, NCLB, is a law that was established in 2001 to help struggling students get help from the teachers during the lessons. I'm going to tell you about cluster grouping. Cluster grouping is when a teacher works with one group and two other groups work independently. This works because extended students don't have to sit through a lesson that has already been taught to them. They get to have their own lesson and then get to work independently.
Curriculum compounding. Giving a pretest at the beginning of a unit or anything like that, it gives the teacher a chance to know what the student already knows. And those who already know what is going to be taught can move on to more advanced learning.
Or advanced classes for advanced students. We propose having more advanced classes for students. No one is better than anyone else, so why are we not being treated equally? Other students get many before, after, and during school activities. We only get one, packed. We think there should be more activities for advanced students. This is a newsletter explaining our ideas. Any questions? Oh, and here's our bibliography. Again, this has been
Abigail Green,
Ellie Flick,
Jaden Wood.
and Hannah Anderson
Thank you for
for watching our presentation on differentiation.